final video to fix streaming error code 232001 on Windows 11. And if videos won't play, let me ask you, are you trying to watch streams where the player stops or shows this error code? This problem usually happens because browser cache is corrupted, network settings block streaming, or outdated drivers prevent video playback. Sometimes antivirus or Windows updates also trigger this issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with confusing browser tweaks, risky registry edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not solve the problem. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of changing every setting blindly, we fix the exact cache, network, and driver path that causes error 232001. This works because it restores proper communication between Windows and the streaming service. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups once you apply it. Streams load normally, videos play smoothly, and the error disappears. I tested this fix on multiple Windows 11 PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If this streaming error is blocking your videos, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.